This is TWiT.
All right, Flo, what you got?
I feel left out not bringing a game today. Folks, I have upped my Instagram game, I think. And my Instagram is now a blog of my life. And so for it to become a blog of my life, I need to have formatting and abilities that other influencers and social media go-getters have set forth. So anyway, I found this toolbox. It's called Gbox, and it is a toolbox for Instagram. And it's your run-of-the-mill toolkit. It does what you need it to do. I'm going to turn up the brightness on this just a tiny bit.
Better. Much
better. Let me move my mic. Okay, now you can hear me. So this is Gbox. It's asking me what I will create today. I'm not a Vasco girl, so I'm not really on Instagram to sell product. I'm just there to document my life. But I really just trying to make up time now. But I really do like the utility of this app. So the reason I like it, first of all, the thing that mostly brought me to it. So Instagram, for some reason, doesn't let you add spaces natively because what is formatting, I suppose. So the nice thing about this is it gives you a space adder. And the space adder, you can either type in what your caption is going to say or you can paste it in. What I usually do is I pre-write it in Google Keep. Then I put it through Grammarly to make sure that my grammar, sponsor of the TWiT network, makes sure that the grammar sounds good. And then I pop it in here and I add some paragraphs and I add some formatting and I make things look professional because I am a professional. Or at least I try to fake it.
Professional grammar.
Sure.
You're an influencer.
I'm not. I make zero money off of any of that stuff. But
maybe you should try harder.
There's a whole ethical contingent there. Anyway, so another couple of great things on this. There is if you go to the glitch effect, you're like, oh, who cares about glitches, Flo? Well, it's fine. So here's a picture I just took earlier of me holding one of the phones that Mateo brought in.
Love it.
And nice thing is down here, it has a bunch of it just has a bunch of filters that you can apply as you want. But what I like to use on this is if you take a picture of maybe a car with a license plate and you want to be a good citizen of the world and not put the license plate for everybody to see, you can get a little censored button and use the two fingers and move it around and make sure that whatever you're posting to the internet is not showing off somebody's license plate number. Or maybe you want to, X out some faces or something. Or maybe there is a picture of a naked person and you would like to keep those 10-year-olds from seeing things. They're maybe not.
Are you getting Jason's ads?
No, I'm not, thankfully. So that's another one. This also has a repost functionality, which I'm really engaged with I have a very a personal network on Instagram. So a lot of people I know in IRL in real life. And so sometimes, you want to repost things that you normally can't. This also has a keyboard that you can pop in if you really want to do your Instagramming on the go. Tell me if you want to use it. There's also a color picker, hashtags if that's your thing, if you really are going for those influencer dollars. There's also the swipe photo ability, so you can cut up a photo and then have it pan out, which is nice. I haven't used that in a really long time because I just don't use an SLR anymore. But, there's a video splitter, which I found to be very helpful when I'm not, when I'm not using InShot. There's a 9 grid if you want to do that. So basically, this is just a good toolbox for anybody who is really into Instagram and wants to make it look nice and professional. And it's free. And it has some really helpful tools.
How does best hashtags work?
Boop. So you upload your image. Ooh, let's do this in real time. All right, here's a picture of the phone and my nails.
Oh, yeah. And a watch strap.
Generating awesome hashtags.
Okay, so it's analyzing, yes. I imagine. It's using the power of artificial intelligence to dynamically analyze the photograph and pull out interesting key points that can be descriptive.
Well,
of
now
the
I'm really
contents
curious.
of
Why is it taking a while?
Generating awesome hashtags.
or generating awesome hashtags. Yeah.
Machine learning.
Hashtags generated.
Oh.
Okay, hashtags. I don't use all of these. Woman, technology, touch, telephone, electronics, girl, wireless computer, luxury, no person, business, fashion, hand, connection, machinery, internet, indoors, daughter, girlfriend, online, child, radio, phone, lux, way, and engineering.
Okay.
I wonder what the Instagram ads for posting that will be like.
So
Anyway.
is the idea here that you would then copy that entire block of text
I
and
have
put it in there?
used
'Cause
I have
seen-
used this because I don't know, like, if I want, sometimes once in a while I'll post something like Android-y, and if I do want it to get a little bit of traction, then I'll put it through this thing and just have it give me hashtags, because I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
I don't know.
What is Instagram?
What is traction?
You should use this. You just got onto Instagram.
I need to start filling all my posts with like 30 hashtags.
I love, but Jason, I would love it if you did that, by the way. Like, if there's just a block of hashtags. Oh, that'd be amazing.
I'll get this app, and then I'll do that. That'll be all that I do is blocks of hashtags.
I want Jason to become like a mega Instagram influencer. That'd be amazing.
Never gonna happen.
Hey, never say never, man. Dare to dream.
True. That's true. Oh, I will keep that firmly in the dream category. Gbox for Android, and that is free. Nice.
Wait, I think it's free. Somebody asked me about it. I don't remember what's free or not because I pay for everything.
Offers in-app purchases.
Oh, I probably have paid for that because
yeah, it's possible. All right, so